Welcome to this session titled, What is Cryptocurrency? My name is Dea Chetty, and I will guide you through the fundamentals of digital currencies. Over the next few minutes, we will define cryptocurrency, explore how it works, and discuss how to engage with it safely and responsibly. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money secured by cryptography, which makes it hard to counterfeit or double spend. It runs on decentralized blockchain networks rather than central banks. Well-known examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, each offering unique features and roles in the digital economy. To buy cryptocurrency, begin by choosing a reputable exchange that offers strong security controls. Next, create an account and complete identity verification as required by regulation. Once approved, deposit funds via bank transfer or card, and you are ready to purchase your first digital assets. Storing cryptocurrency securely is critical. For long-term holding, hardware wallets keep private keys offline, greatly reducing hacking risk. Always enable two-factor authentication on exchanges and maintain strong, unique passwords. Regular updates and a password manager can significantly strengthen your security posture. This chart highlights how rapidly the cryptocurrency market has expanded. Between 2019 and 2022, total market capitalization rose from around $150 billion to roughly $1.2 trillion. While such growth signals opportunity, it also underscores the volatility and the need for disciplined investment strategies. Blockchain is the core technology behind cryptocurrency. It is a decentralized ledger where many participants share and verify the same transaction history. Each block stores transactions plus a cryptographic link to the previous block, creating an ordered, tamper-resistant chain that supports transparency and trust. Investing wisely starts with research. Understand each coin's use case, technology, and risks. Set clear objectives and define how much you can afford to invest. Begin with small amounts while you learn the platforms. Then monitor your portfolio regularly and adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Common questions focus on risk, scams, taxes, and which coins to pick. There is no single best cryptocurrency. Choices depend on your goals and risk tolerance. Always use reputable platforms, be alert to offers that seem too good to be true, and seek professional tax advice where necessary. To conclude, sound participation in crypto begins with education. Learn the basics, secure your wallets and accounts, and use regulated, trustworthy exchanges. Start modestly, stay informed about market and regulatory developments, and treat cryptocurrency as a high-risk, long-term opportunity within a diversified portfolio.